All right, guys. This one is more of a everyday life kind of question. What are some car essentials that you need as a realtor?
Snacks.
What is it in there?
Snacks, for sure. Top of the list, snacks.
I always carry a screwdriver,
Yeah.
a tape measure, an electrical tester.
Yeah.
Yep.
Me too.
Scissors.
Scissors. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good one. Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer.
An extra pair of socks.
Zip ties. Is that what you
Yeah,
call those?
zip-
Yeah, zip ties.
Ties.
I used to carry a binder, or not a binder, but like a bin full of
Paperwork.
All the
Yeah,
listings we
forms.
had. You used to have a binder with
Oh
every
yeah,
listing.
I did used to have that. You know, what I would carry around with me when I was on the road. I could easily access the listings because at that time I don't think they had an app for it. Yeah, but I used to carry like a binder full of forms, but now DocuSigns and things,
Yeah,
you don't
really
need
easy.
that.
I know. I have so many folders in the office that are just like
Forms.
Probably
yeah.
outdated forms that you could just
probably-
recycle.
I'll never use them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will say too, like my bag is set up like an office. Like
Yeah.
you know, my work bag is like I could do everything from like. So it means I'm always like lugging my laptop and you know what I mean, just so that
Yeah,
I could do everything.
Phone charger, laptop charger.
for sure. For
Yeah.
sure. I used to carry a portable shovel in the wintertime, but it broke and now I don't for those vacant listings that you don't want to go like knee deep and so you just like shovel a little way out and
Smart.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's smart.
I carry in the winter like a pair of like big boots, like Sorel type
That's a good
boots.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just so that
Lock de-icer.
Lock de-icer.
de-icer.
Reminded me of that. Yeah, never for your car. For
Yeah, for the
listings
house.
that are- yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. It's like, I washed my car, now I can't get my key in. Doesn't matter. I'm saving this little bit of lock de-icer for the next house I can't get into. Yeah.
I always carry a battery booster. I don't know why. Like I don't.
No,
It's
that's
not for
good.
me. Like I've never had to, but I've rescued a pile of people with it.
Yeah.
Have you ever rescued clients or other people?
Not clients. I've always come like just weird random people like dead in the middle of the road. It's like, what's wrong with you? Oh, battery. I'll pull over. Off you go.
And then give them
I
a
was
business
gonna
card?
say business
No,
card.
I never do. I never do.
yeah.
Like, I never do. But I don't know. I keep this thing in. I've probably rescued like 7 people in the last few years. Like,
look
I
at
don't know.
you, so nice.
Yeah, wow.
well, it's just so easy. They're like, oh, I need a boost. You just, anyways.
Yeah.
But yeah, a business card too. Yeah.
I have
Yeah,
I
it's a
have
good
like
idea.
a little like box of like check type envelopes like in my car.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And I use
That's
it
true.
quite like
Me too.
I use it quite a bit.
Yes. When I pick up a deposit,
Yeah, I'm
it's
like,
never
oh, I
in
have
an
a-
envelope. Yeah.
You always need envelopes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. Pens.
That's true.
I always
Pens.
have pens.
Yeah.
Actually, water testing bottles.
yeah.
Always have those.
I
In
don't
your
have
car?
any in my center
Me
console
either.
right now. I gotta
Yeah.
add some. Yeah. I just used
I
them
have
last
them at
one.
my desk, but not in the car. Yeah.
Yep.
Good
You
call.
always need it when you're in your car. That's
I
always
know.
like you get to the house, your clients like it, and you're like, crap, we're an hour out of the city.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep, should have brought that. Yeah. So
that's-
much stuff
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah, a
A
lot of
lot
stuff.
of little things.
Yeah.
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 I was also thinking a flashlight would be handy, but I guess we all
Now
have them
you
on our
have a-
cell phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True. I think I used to have one, but the batteries would have died probably
Yeah.
5 years ago. It might be at the bottom of my console. At this
I keep, and I always think it's funny, and I'm like, people probably, I mean, they probably get it because I have all the like flags and everything.
Yeah.
But I have this, it's like a really old school, like big hammer, and it's in the back of my car, but I use it like putting out open house signs. But I always like feel funny, like as I'm like crossing through traffic, holding this like
This
big,
giant
huge
hammer?
like
Yeah.
hammer.
Yeah.
And it's in my car all times.
Your hammer and your zip ties. And
Yeah,
then
like it's just like you're just one tarp away. It's not so much when I have the like flags and everything in my
Yeah.
hands with the hammer. It's when I'm going back to my car with just this big hammer. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? I'm like, what do people think?
Certainly throws you off.
Yeah.
you should just start swinging it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I'm not trying to
you
break
looking
windows.
at?
I promise.
Get yourself a little tool belt. You could just
Yeah.
slip it in there.
Back in the day when we delivered a lot more offers too, I had a little mini stapler to staple my offers. Because if you like did a like back and forth where you're meeting at the drop box and you'd already opened the envelope, you needed to staple it back up or
Together,
something. I
yeah.
can't remember, so that it wouldn't all come apart or other people couldn't see your offer. But
Yeah, that DocuSign saved us a lot of back and forth.
DocuSign has changed a lot of the
Oof,
things I
big time.
carried around in my car. There's a lot more empty space in there now.
Also, can you imagine just like this is off topic a bit, but how much, like as busy as we are now, if you had to hand deliver
I
every
couldn't
offer for
imagine.
everything, like
Yeah.
I don't think we could physically do it.
Honestly, I think if the whole business would just be slower.
Yeah.
Like it would have.
Yeah.
You know
It
what
would
I
have
mean?
to,
It
right,
was,
yeah.
but it
Yeah.
was also a lot more like 10:30 to midnight.
Right.
Oh,
Where you're
yeah.
with a client,
That's
like
true.
at the end of the day, like getting a deal done, getting final initials on stuff,
Yeah.
Yeah.
finally driving home. So now we're able to be home a lot more often at like 8, 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Whereas that
Sitting
yeah.
at your computer, doing
Yeah.
those.
Yeah.
Sitting. Yeah, exactly. I also have in mind like I guess kind of like a bike chain, but it's like chain you cut off of the roll at Rona for when our lock boxes don't
Oh,
fit.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I use it selectively because I'm like, is this listing chain worthy? Or is there somewhere I can find to attach this lockbox? Because I only have 2. So
Yeah.
there's one out right now though. I don't know where it is, but I used one like
Somewhere.
recently. Yeah.
That's a really handy one, actually.
That is handy, yeah.
Yeah. You never know when you're gonna need it, and then you drive and you take a sharp turn and you hear
Yeah.
yeah.
That's like my big like tape measure too in the back. It's like when you're driving and it's a turn, it's like this is the
Yeah.
back of the car. It's like, oh,
Yeah.
I should really get like a little bin or something for
Yeah.
all of that
Yeah, I have
stuff,
a
so
bin
it's
for
not
all
like
that stuff.
rattling.
Rattling around.
And almost always a lockbox. Like it's rare that there isn't one just sitting in the vehicle just in
Oh
case.
yeah. Yeah. I have a dud one sitting in my car right now. It flat out had Dare's note on the front of it that said, use this lockbox with caution. Like if all the other lockboxes are used, then use this one, but otherwise don't use this one. And I went to put it on a listing the other day and finally looked down and went, oh, okay, I'll come back. I'll come back. Yeah.
It's funny.
But yeah, that. And
Business
and a
cards?
bag. Oh, business cards, yeah. And a bag for when I go to Chamois and I gotta
Oh,
lug all this
yeah.
crap
yes,
out
that's
of
right.
my
Yes,
car.
yeah.
Just one catch-all bag.
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Come with a lot of baggage.
Yeah, literally.
Literally.
It's what happens when you work as a mobile office
Yeah.
constantly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.